Experiencing Rogers gateway issues like no internet, DNS errors, or weak signals? You're not alone. Rogers subscribers commonly face these problems, often due to network congestion, firmware glitches, or hardware limitations. But don't worry, many issues can be resolved with simple troubleshooting. First, understand your gateway. It's a modem router combo connecting to Rogers coaxial cable. No internet often means the modem isn't syncing. DNS problems prevent web pages from loading, and weak signals indicate poor cable signal quality. Before diving in, perform a quick restart of your gateway by unplugging it for 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. This resets the DHCP lease and often fixes temporary glitches. If the problem persists, check your coaxial cables to make sure they are tightly secured and undamaged. If the cables are fine, continue on to the next steps. If a simple restart and cable check don't resolve the connectivity issues, try these advanced troubleshooting steps. First, ensure your Rogers gateway has the latest firmware by checking the Rogers app or web portal. Outdated firmware can cause DNS hangs and other problems. For DNS errors, switch to public DNS servers like Google at 8.88.8 to bypass Rogers servers temporarily. Optimize your Wi-Fi signal by positioning the gateway away from interference sources like microwaves, and use the 5 GHz band for faster speeds. Looking ahead, Rogers is phasing out older HFC systems in favor of fiber-to-the-home technology. Keep an eye on their infrastructure investments and expected upgrades for more permanent solutions. If all else fails, contact Rogers support for further assistance. For unresolved problems, consider hardware replacement or upgrading your service plan.